What's up guys, it's Eileen here. Today we're gonna do a 10 minutes full body fat burn workout. Your heart rate will go up. Stick with me and you will feel really good afterwards. There will be no jumping. You can do it anywhere you want with a yoga mat. If you're interested in just toning your arms or abs or legs, don't forget to check out my other workout videos. I have plenty of different workout routines so you don't get bored easily, hopefully. Alright, let's jump into the workout. Today we're gonna do 2 circuits. For each circuit, we have 8 exercises. Each one has 30 seconds on and 10 seconds break. We'll take a 1-minute break after we're done with the first set and then repeat. Before we jump into the workout, don't forget to like and comment below and smash the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my newest workout routines. Now, let's warm up by doing some Inchworms first. Standing with your feet shoulder width, walk your hands out to a plank position and then walk back. You can slightly bend your knee. Make sure to engage your core. This is a very good warm-up exercise since it works out the whole body. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's take a 10 seconds break. Next, we're gonna do lateral lunges. Step your right foot out wide to your side while bending your right hip into a lunge position. Drive your right foot so you return to the starting position, and then lunge out to your left. Come on guys, feel the burn in your inner thighs and stretch those legs. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, break. Next, we have knee push-up with shoulder taps. Start in a kneeling plank position with hands on the ground below shoulders. Lower chest to floor while keeping abs tight. Touch your opposite shoulder with your hand. Make sure your neck, shoulder, and back forms a straight line as you move. Next, we have Crossbody mountain climbers. Start in a traditional plank. Bring your right knee forward to reach your left elbow and switch legs. I know I have been saying this a million times, but still guys, make sure to keep your core engaged the whole time. Next, we have one of my favorite exercises, reverse crunch variation. Lift your legs in the air with your knees bent. Use your lower abs to slowly curl your hips off the floor and into your chest. When you come down, extend your legs straight but don't touch the floor. I love this one because it is so much more interesting than the regular crunches and works out the whole ab. Come on guys, 3 more exercises and we're done with the first circuit. Next, we have bear hold walk. This one is a little bit challenging. Start with your wrists directly underneath your shoulders and your knees directly underneath your hips. With control, lift your knees 1 inch off the ground. Be sure to keep your back flat and your abs engaged. Next, we have burpees. Hands down on the floor with shoulder width, jump your feet back into a plank position, then jump forward and straight up. Come on guys, enjoy the sweat. 2 more exercises and we're done with the first set. Next, we have leg lift circles. Lie on the ground with hands beside your hips. Raise your leg up while drawing a circle in between. Make sure your core is tight and your back is pushed against the floor the whole time. Welcome to the last exercise. We'll plank for 30 seconds and then we're done with set 1. Raise up off your knees onto your toes and rest mainly on your elbows. Engage your core and try to keep your back flat and parallel to the floor. Your glutes and thighs should also be tight. Congrats everyone, we're done with the first set. How are you feeling right now? All sweaty with heart pumping fast? Well, me too. We'll take a quick 60 seconds break and then we'll come back and repeat. Get some water and stay hydrated. Welcome back everyone, let's jump into the second set. We'll start with Inchworms. Next, we have lateral lunges. Next, we have knee push-up with shoulder taps. Next, we have crossbody mountain climbers. Next, we have reverse crunch variation. Next, we have bear hold. Next, we have burpees. 3 more exercises to go, guys. Next, we have leg lift circles. Finally, we'll plank for 30 seconds and then we're done. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, guys, you made it. How are you feeling? I am all sweaty and my heart is pumping fast, but trust me, you get what you work for. You're welcome to repeat this workout if you still feel pumped and want to burn more fat. I am probably gonna settle for mediocrity and take my dog Arya out to poop. You can also head to my 10-minute stretch video and do a full body stretch. If you like working out with me, don't forget to like and comment below and smash the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my newest workout routines. Good luck, everyone, and see you next time.
嘿，摄影师睡着了，怎么回事？摄影师？